Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Python with GEC Bharuch. Myself Kevin C. Patel. In this series, we will learn about basic of pandas. Before, we will discuss the main topic related to Python Pandas series. First, we will cover what is series. Second, creating a series. Third, accessing element of series. Fourth, indexing and selecting data in series. 5. Binary operation on series. And last, we will learn how to write and read file using a pandas. So, let's get started. Now, first let's see, we are introduced to the concept of series in Python. Specifically using the pandas library, a series is defined as a one-dimensional array that can hold data of various types such as an integer, string, floats, or even Python object. Each value in the series is associated with an index. The index acts like a label to each element, helping us reference data easily. Importantly, these labels do not have to be unique, but they do need to be hashable. Hashable meaning they must be immutable objects like integer, string, or tuple. In the example shown, first I will open the Jupyter notebook. The topic creating series. Then I will create pandas library. Next I will create variable where after that we convert list into the pandas series using a pd.series function. Print SCR. So this is the output. First column represent the index and second column contain the data for list. Next topic, creating a series. In the real world, a pandas series will be created by loading the dataset from existing storage. Storage can be SQL database, CSV file and Excel file. Then series can be created in different ways. Here are some ways by which we create a series. First, we open the Jupyter notebook. We will explore how to create an empty series. First, I will create pandas library. Then I will create variable where equal to print where. When you run this code, you will see the output structure like this. Second, how to create a NumPy array. First, make sure you have both the NumPy and Pandas library, but I have already imported the Pandas library, so we will create a NumPy library. Next, let's create NumPy array containing some string element. You can do this using the np.array function. Now, we want to convert this NumPy array into a Pandas series. Print SCR. When you run this command, so you will see the output structure like this. This output shows the index and the left and value from the array on the right. Learn how to create NumPy array with index. This code is similar to NumPy array, so I copied the code of NumPy array. But this time we will specify the custom index. You can do this by passing the index parameter to the pd.series function. And you run this code. In this output, the number on the left are the custom indices we defined and the values on the right are the elements from our array. How to create a list. Now let's define a list of numbers. List equal to. Next, to create a series from this list, SCR print SCR. When you run this code, you will see the output structure with an index on the left. 5. How to create a dictionary. Here's how you can define a dictionary with programming language to their popularity. Next, to convert this dictionary into a series, use pd.series function, print scr. So the output will display the key of the index and the value as the data. 6. How to create a scalar value. We will create a series with the same value repeated across multiple indices. Print scr. The output will show the scalar value for each of the defined indices. Finally, let's how to create a range function. Follows as to generate sequence of numbers. Here's how to do it. Next, print scr. So the output will display a series of numbers from 20 to 27. Now we will explore how to access elements in a series. Elements of a series can be accessed in two ways. First, let's discuss accessing element by their position. Similar to a NumPy ND array, you can access elements in a series using their index number. To do this, simply use the index operator, which is the square bracket. Remember, the index must be an integer. For example, if you want to access the first element, you would use 0 within the square. If you want to access multiple elements, you can use slicing. This allows you to specify a range of indices, making it easy to retrieve several elements at once. Next, we have accessing elements by label or index. Think of a series like a fixed size dictionary. You can get and set values using the index label. To access multiple elements, you simply specify the labels in the square bracket. This method is particularly useful when you need to work with specific data points defined by meaningful labels rather than just their positions. Now let's run the code of this topic. So go to the Jupyter notebook. Now run the code for the accessing element from series with position. First, we will create Pandas library. Then we will create NumPy library. Next, we create a NumPy array containing individual characters. I have already created. Now we convert this NumPy array into a Pandas series. Now, to access a specific element in the series, we use indexing. For example, when we retrieve scr2, we are accessing the element at position 2. In the case, this will be written L, the third character in the array. Let's look at accessing multiple elements by using slicing scr. Retrieve all elements from the beginning of the but not including index 7. This will give us the first 7 character welcome. We can also use negative indexing to access elements from the end of series. For example, we'll return the last 7 elements which will include Pandas. This is useful feature when you want to quickly retrieve element from the end of your series. Now, second, run the code for the accessing element using a label. We start by creating a NumPy array. I have already created. Then we create a Pandas series scr. To access a single element, we use its index. For example, scr. Index number is 22. So output is A. Now, to access multiple elements, we pass a list of indices, for example SCR. So, this is the output. Next, we create a series from NumPy array. Print SCR. So, this is the output. Now, next topic, indexing and selecting data in series. Indexing in Panda allows you to select specific data from a series. Think of it as a subset selection. You can choose entire rows, specific columns, or even individual elements. Indexing a series using indexing operator. Indexing operator is used to refer to the square bracket following an object. There are two primary ways to index a series. First, .loc function. LOC function select data by referencing the explicit index. This means you specify the exact index label you want to retrieve. For example, where.loc 3:6. Select data from index 3 to 6. Second, .iloc function. ILOC function allows you to retrieve data by position. This means you specify the integer location. For example, where.3:6 select data from 4 to 7 position. Key difference: LOC using the index label and ILOC use integer position. Now next topic, binary operation on series. Binary operation allows you to perform element-wise calculation between two series. This means you can add, subtract, multiply, divide and more using various functions. Pandas series provide various methods for performing mathematical operation. Let's explore this method: arithmetic operation, aggregation method, element-wise operation, statistical methods. So let's go to the Jupyter notebook. Now run the code for the binary operation on series. First we will create Pandas library. Then create a two series. Now first arithmetic operation. First add method is used to addition. Second, subtract method is used to subtract series. Third, multiplication method is used to multiply series. Third, division method is used to division series. Now, aggregation method. First, sum. Return the sum of the values. Second, product. Return the product of the values. Return the means of the value. Element-wise operation. First, power. Method is used to put each element of part series as a exponential power of column. Second, ABS. Method is used to get the absolute numeric value of each element in series or data frame. And last, statistical methods. COV. Method is used to find covariance of two series. As the last topic, we will learn about how to read and write file in Python Pandas series. So let's go to Jupyter Notebook.
Before this, let's discuss what is the difference between CSV file and the Excel file. Basically, the Excel file is the normal Excel file in which we enter our data and the output stored in worksheet in a binary format. The CSV file is the comma separated value in which we can easily store big and the biggest data sets. CSV file contain the plain text. Now let's see how to write the file. So to write file using Pandas library in Python, we can use to underscore CSV method for CSV file and to underscore Excel method for Excel file. Now let's see how to write CSV file using the Pandas library. So first I will write input, then I will create one dictionary in and save this dictionary in the VR. Then I will write df is equals to, then I will write df dot to underscore csv, in which I will write my file name, which is test dot csv, and then run it. So like this you can create your own CSV file. Now let's see the CSV file that I will create. So this is the file name. Similarly, we can create Excel file using to underscore Excel method. Let's see how to create Excel file. So to create Excel file, I will write df dot to underscore Excel Excel, in which I will write my file name, which is python dot xl xlsx, and then run it. So like this I can create my Excel file. Let's see the Excel file. Now we will see how to read the file. Now let's read the CSV file. To read the CSV file, I will write print df. So this is my pandas file. Similarly, we can read Excel file using the read underscore Excel method. Let's see how to read it. So I enter df print df. So this is my Excel file. So in this video, we will learn about this. Thank you for the watching.